Hello dear students. In the last session we have seen different uh, types of graphs and also the essentials of graphs, difference between networks and the graph, and the networks theory versus the graph theory, and also internet, network of the US highways and road networks, social networks, and then we have seen the graph basics, nodes, edges, actors, edges, and types of graphs, directed and undirected graphs. And the next concept is uh, degree and degree. So the degree means the number of nodes connected directly to it, which is the degree. So already we have seen the definition of degree. So now let us see what is meant by in degree and out degree. In directed graphs, we have two measures, in degree and out degree. So in degree in the sense number of incoming edges, and out degree means number of outgoing edges. For example, Twitter. Followers are in degree, following are out degree. Uh, if a celebrity has 1 million followers, which degree is high? It is exactly in degree. So the DIN represents the in degree, D out represents the out degree. So the next one is degree theorem. So degree theorems, there are three important rules. So the first one is sum of all node degrees equals twice the number of edges. Why? Because every edge connects two nodes. So the number of odd degree nodes is always even. In directed graphs, total in degree equal to total out degree. These are the frequently asked questions related to degree theorems. And the next one is degree distribution. When graphs become very large, instead of looking at one node, we study how degrees are distributed. This is called degree distribution. So it tells us whether most users have many friends or only a few. So the degree distribution is represented as pi of d equal to, which is the degree sequence d1 to dn, pd equal to nd by n. Nd is the number of nodes with the degree d. So summation d equal to 0 to infinity to pd equal to 1. So the next one is degree sequence. So a degree sequence is simply the list of degrees of every node. And then degree distribution plot. So observe this graph carefully. So x-axis represents, so that x-axis represents degree, y-axis represents the fraction of nodes. Notice that most Facebook users have only a few friends. Only a few users have thousands of friends. This follows the famous power law. So the next one is subgraph. A subgraph is simply a smaller graph taken from a larger graph. Example, Facebook has millions of users. Suppose we consider only our classroom students, that smaller network becomes subgraph. So the researchers often analyze subgraphs because analyzing the complete graph is computationally expensive. So this is the left hand side is the complete graph and the right hand side is the subgraph, which is formed from that left side graph.